we use several pauses while we speak. Similarly, when we write, we use punctuation marks to indicate pauses. Now, comma is a punctuation mark which is used to indicate a small pause. A comma marks a slight break between different parts of a sentence. So, to separate one part of a sentence from the other part of a sentence, we use commas. Used properly, commas make the meaning of sentences clear by grouping and separating words. Let us see how. Now, commas are used to separate yes or no from the main sentence. So, at times it happens that we use yes or no in a sentence to emphasize what we are saying. Like, yes, he is a good player. So, if I read the sentence like this, yes, he is a good player. Is it very clear what I am trying to say? No. So, I need to separate yes, which I am using for emphasis, from the rest of the sentence. What I want to say is, he is a good player. He is a good player. And I am using a yes to emphasize on the fact that he is a good player, and I need to have a small pause or a slight break between these two parts. So I need a comma here. Yes, he is a good player. This is how I say it. Yes, he is a good player. So the small pause is indicated by this comma. So yes, comma, he is a good player. And as you can see, there is a space after comma and there is no space before comma. So when we use yes or no for emphasizing or reinstating, then we use a comma. So look at this sentence. No, I will not go to school. So does it make a lot of sense? It doesn't. Over here, the child is answering the question, will you go to school? He is saying, no, I will not go to school. And he wants to emphasize using this no. So I need to separate this no from the rest of the sentence. And I say, no, I will not go to school. So it is the same sentence, but I need to separate no from the rest of the sentence. No, comma, I will not go to school. No, I will not go to school. So can you put the comma at the correct place? Yes, it is raining now. Now over here, this is an answer to the question, is it raining now? So we answer by saying, yes, it is raining now. So we need to separate this yes, which is used for emphasizing the fact it is raining now. So we need to separate it from the rest of the sentence. So I use a comma after yes. Yes, it is raining now. So we use commas after yes or no whenever they are answers to the questions and are used for emphasizing the answer. It is raining now is emphasized by yes, it is raining now. But if I have a sentence like this, no man lives here. So, do I need to put a comma after no? Well, what happens if I put a comma here? If I put a comma after no, then it becomes no man lives here. The meaning of the sentence is completely different. But what I want to say is no man lives here means nobody lives here. No is not used to emphasize or to answer the question. No is used to say that nobody lives here or no man lives here. So in this case, no cannot be differentiated from man. We cannot separate no from man. If we do that, the meaning of the sentence changes completely. It says, no, man lives here. The meaning is not very clear. But if I say, no man lives here, then the sentence makes perfect sense. So, I do not use a comma here. So, it is not the case that whenever there is a yes or a no in a sentence, we need to use comma. We use a comma only when yes or no are used as answers to the question and are used for emphasizing. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.